Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Fun fact, I went to a hair show, I don't know, it was probably about like 6 or 7 years ago, and I got on stage and I did a quick style and I was actually crowned the quick style queen. So in this video I am going to do not one, not two, but 3 very quick style, and I mean quick. So we're starting off with bantu knots. This bantu knot out was done on dry hair. I literally just revamped my hair real quick last night, so the very first step is to take these bantu knots out. If you guys want to see me do an updated bantu knot tutorial, then make sure you hit that like button and leave a comment down below, and I will get that recorded for you guys. I always miss like 1 or 2. Look at that curl. I look like a smurf. Okay, once they're out, I'm just gonna separate them. I'm probably gonna separate these into like 6 to 8 sections. Before we actually start to kind of like fluff out the hair and do all that, we're gonna go into the actual styling process. So using a Rattail comb, let's part from ear to ear. The size of this part is going to be completely dependent on you. I know for me personally, I don't like to part across the middle of my head. I like to kind of part closer to the front of my head. Once that's done, grab some edge control. Optional, ladies. We all know everybody don't like edge control. I do. And we're going to gently brush. Take a twisty or a scrunchie, whatever you want to call it. Form the hair into a loose ponytail. When I say loose, it don't need to be that tight. It really don't. And then fluff it. So start to separate the pieces. Unless your hair is already fluffed, like if you're starting off with the style that, you know, is already kind of big, you won't have to do this part. And take a pick and go to work. Release the back, and we're gonna fluff the back now. Separate a little bit more and pick that also. She working me. Working me. Style number 1 is done. Now from here, all we're going to do is basically take this style and continue to tweak it and alter it. That's the whole point of it being a quick style. 2 more styles to go. Next style, release the puff. Pin the hair in the back out of the way, and then we're gonna part directly down the middle. Once you get that straight, go ahead and put these into 2 ponytails. Fluff, if need be. Release the back. Bye y'all. Style number 2 and 1 to go. Last style, get some bobby pins, some hair pins, whatever you want to call them, because we're gonna make these 2 ponytails mini buns. Kind of messy, but definitely little mini buns. You can add like more edge control if you want to make that sleeker. I'm not. Just make sure that you don't pin any of the hair down that's like in the back. This isn't a full bun. I just kind of like pulled some of the hair back, and I actually only use 1 bobby pin. If your hair is longer, then you might want to actually make a full bun, but I'm not. Fluff, fluff, fluff. That's it. 3rd style is done. Literally 3 quick styles. I want to know which one is your favorite style. Which one would you rock? Which one will you be rocking? Let me know in the comments below, along with if you guys want me to show you an updated bantu knot out tutorial, because I got you. Once again, make sure that you subscribe if you didn't do it at the beginning of the video. I hope that you loves enjoyed this video. I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.